Redflow Energy Storage.
I'm Sam Statham. I'm from Rosnay Wines at Canowindra in New South Wales. We're a family vineyard. We've been going for about 22 years and we grow 50 acres or 20 hectares of vineyard. We grow olives and figs, and we've recently installed the Redflow batteries. We put the Redflow batteries in because we wanted to improve our energy security. Being able to do more of our processing on farms, such as our winemaking right through from crushing to bottling, as well as our olive processing and our fig processing. That includes all our large equipment, as well as cool rooms and refrigeration and that side of things. We were using really old single-phase supply off the grid. It was very unreliable. We'd have a fair few blackouts and things. And then for any of our heavy usage, such as like a steamer or a large pump or a crusher or a press, we had to use this old tractor, which is about 60 years old, but it was just right size for this three-phase generator that we bought. But over time, we started to realise that using the diesel tractor, apart from the maintenance cost, the diesel cost, the inconvenience, the risk of breakdowns, it's just been a huge improvement to enter the modern age with solar power combined with the Redflow batteries. And what I really like about the Redflow batteries is it was so easy and convenient, and we haven't had to use any of our shed space or anything. It's just kind of like this unit that can just be installed and ready to go. Well, working with Redflow has been really easy. There's been a lot of monitoring. I don't have time to monitor the performance all the time, but then you get a phone call from Redflow. They've noticed that something needs a bit of a tweak. It's good to have that backup and to know that someone's making sure that it works.
Redflow Energy Storage.